Hey guys, welcome back to Nifty Futures Public Trading Journal. This is another episode of the way we are gonna plan how are we gonna trade. As always, this is educational content, and I am just gonna document my own learning process and my own journey. I'm not gonna give any advice or nor any buy and sell recommendations. So before we begin, a quick update. I wanted to show you guys. Let me just quickly open the dashboard or the trading journal that I have. I hope you guys are able to see on my screen. So I couldn't upload any video around the journal that I designed, how I designed, as I promised, but because I was traveling, and then Monday and today was Tuesday, I was not feeling well, so I was not able to do any pre-recordings or live streams either, but I'm much better shape now. So one thing that I definitely want to maintain is consistency and transparency. Even if I trade, I'll show it. Even if I don't, I'll still explain why. And if I miss a recording, I'll gonna exactly tell you why. So not only to the viewers or my family here on YouTube, but also to myself because I want to be held accountable. So, the last time we spoke, we discussed about the protective call strategy. At that time, the position was showing around 3k negative, like minus 3k. So just for new viewers, when I say protective call, it means you go short on futures and at the same time you go long on the at the money calls. So I realized guys that I made a mistake here, so I'm gonna close this trade in front of you. So what happened is, I when I entered this trade, ideally I should have gone for ATM call, which has same expiry as the futures, but when I went to buy it, I bought it for 14 July expiry, which was today. So unfortunately, it has expired worthless, or as you could see in the price point is 0.05. I'm not ashamed to explain this because I made a mistake, and this is how you learn. If any of you have made similar mistake, do comment and share your experience as well. But yeah, this is exactly why I am building the public journal to document, because I want to learn and be a better trader eventually. So I'll just close this trade. So I don't know what would be the final profit and loss here. So I'll say 0.05 was the options, and let's see on the trading view. So Nifty futures one is trading at 24024, right? 24024. So let's calculate. Yeah, I still made good bit of profit though, you guys could see. But yeah, this is the beauty of it. When you hedge, there are higher chances of making money. If you don't, then for sure you need a little bit of luck, conviction in your direction, in your trade, so that it goes your way. So I'll have to close this trade somehow, even though I'll say this was sort of the miscalculated trade that I did. So anyway, maybe I'll live stream during the market hours tomorrow. I'll show how I'm entering a strategy trade, and also if I get a plain naked futures long or short, that I'll also show. So as far as tomorrow, which is 15th July, let's quickly refresh the new resistance and support levels based on how market has behaved so far. So you guys can see, so this today's close and open can act as a good support now, which is 24023, right? Then we have a major support directly down here, which is around 23,800. Then we have 23,940, and then we have 24,023. The first resistance would be today's high, and even if you compare with yesterday's market spent quite a bit time here and then give a bullish bias. So 24,143 is a major resistance. Then we have yesterday's high, which was around So at around this level, right? So 24,233 is another high, and then we have another third resistance, which is 24,300, like a psychological level. So we have three resistance levels and three support levels for tomorrow, which is 15 July. I'll put these levels on the thumbnail. I hope so. These are going to be the key levels. I hope you guys do follow, and be a sub. And first of all, even if you don't, thank you for being part of the journey, because as I said, I want to be held accountable myself first, improve, and maybe show how I have made mistakes, and you guys learn from it. So that's the goal. Okay. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening in. See